guys, so I'm at this stream that goes into a lake in a national park, and you probably can't see it from here, but there's Arctic char in the water. These are just the offspring. The big ones go back in the lake, but it's still pretty cool. So um, if I see a big one, I'll try to capture it on film. So this is really awesome. One of the staff just gave me one of their rods and said I could just go ahead and fish the lake. He also gave me some waders. So this is pretty cool. He said there's Arctic char and trout. So I'm going to be fishing with a spinner. And I brought my tackle, so I'll be spinning for trout, and this is really exciting. First time fishing in Iceland, and hopefully I'll get back to you guys when I get to the lake. Hey guys, so I was fishing the Meps Aglia spinner, wading back in there, and I caught my first brown trout. This is amazing. And like, I don't know if you can see that, guys, but in the back there's like a volcano. But here's the brown trout. What a beauty. I'm just amazed at the color on these things. So, I'm just gonna go put this guy back in. There he goes. Alright guys, so overall I'm pretty happy. I had a pretty productive day, even though I only caught one fish. I really don't know the area, so I was just fishing, wading right off the shore, going into like 3 feet of water. So I'm gonna go back up to the hotel now, heading back, and hope you enjoyed, guys. Stay tuned for some more.